How you doing? This is hour 148. Today I listened to the EOFire podcast, Entrepreneur on Fire with John Lee Dumas. Yes, he was yesterday's guest on the Ziegler Show. So I thought I'd listen to one of his podcasts since he'd done so many, and I can't believe I haven't done it beforehand. Anyway, this was episode 1557, and it was titled How Entrepreneurs Can Turn Their Ideas into Profitable Products with Richie Norton. I'm not going to talk so much about the product side of things. I can listen to the podcast and go to, I think it's called product.com, which is Richie Norton's website to talk about products. One of the things I took away from it when he said about, thinking outside the box, and he said it's easier if you don't even put yourself in a box. So if you don't put yourself in a box, you don't really need to even think outside the box. You're always outside the box. The second part I took away from it when John asked Richie, what does productivity mean to you? And he said productivity basically is getting results. So if you've spent 8 hours during the day, and at the end of the day, you can say that you produced a lot and you got all the results you're after, then you were productive. He said, unfortunately, there's what they call Parkinson's law, which is where a task will fulfill whatever time you allocate to it. So if you allocate a short amount of time, you're probably going to get the same task done in a shorter period. And another question that John asked him was about work-life balance. How does he balance work-life, being such a busy person? And he said he does it through projects. So he said instead of looking at, you start a particular task or idea or business venture and you think this is my life and it overtakes your whole life, he said break everything down into just projects. It's just a project that you're doing now. You complete the project and then you move on to something else. And he said if you're sad about your work-life balance, he said then shift it. You have the ability to shift whether you put more time into work, more time in your lifestyle and family. So there's some of the points I took away from today. I think I'll be checking into the EOFire podcast a lot more often. John Lee Dumas, great job. Richie Norton, you're full of energy as well, and I can't wait to check out a bit more of your own stuff. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.